guys, I'm done. Wait, sorry. Okay naman. Diyos ko Lord, sana naman ipasa nila ako. Para akong tinanggalan ng lungs the entire exam. And ayun, yung nakuha akong case is section extension. And then PFPS day.
You would not believe what happened to me. Look at me, I'm sweating. It was so hot. And Trisha's McFlurry. No, but if you think about it, I was already.
No, this probably wouldn't, right? Oh, this. Papangit muna tayong sporty. Sagot. Wait na sila today. So what do you want to get tested on?
PTA.
Nothing.
I was tested on discharge and multiple. TBI sheet.
Yeah.
Smart goals that
No
are not
smart
too-
goals, I
Smart
hate
goals that are not so smart.
We're free! Hello. Physios try bathing in the sun.
Physios try jumping over heights. I'm very.
Okay.
Oh my god, you're the judge for the first time. I realized that. Wait, how do I take it out?
Oh, ja, zeg maar van, already got this working on.
Sorry, Dad.
Thank you, Trish.
Emmy! Ube cream cheese. Yes.
Is that okay? Wait, I want a nickname. Everyone has always called me Michelle in my life.
You can be Michelle May.
Michelle May, but it's
Mitch.
longer.
Mitch. Oh, we already have a Mitch. Shell? It's giving ocean.
Ooh.
Piggy in the middle. Guys, someone else. Yeah.
Yes!
Come on, Atika.
Show your card.
Fourth
Red.
race. Fourth race, eh?
Damn, that's a whole deck.
Wonderful.
Pero hindi kami dyan pupunta. Bininja lang na. Ito na ba siya? Ito na ba siya? Problematic ka kasi wala kang oras na mag-catch up sa Dapat careful ka with your words kasi baka may mga friends.
Next stop, Holden. Please keep your
Husgahan na natin. Feeling ko ito yung race. Ganyan yung branding na itong ginanong pakala mo talaga magpo-focus. Wow. Grabe. Okay, next. Ito lang para kay Claire. At Claire.
natin doon. Post na tayo.
At Claire ng UTS. Lumabas ka dyan. Charing. Ayo bala. Para sa'yo, Claire. Ay! Basta yan yun. Nakataob. Sign na ito na bumili ka ng badminton shoes. Pag ine-edit mo na itong video na ito next year. Ay! She's my barricade with the V. Welcome sa aming interview. Hello!
Hi!
Hindi nakita. Okay. Anong feeling na muntik na mamatay?
Grabe, ganun pala yung tsura nung ano. Kita ako ng 1 second.
Parang bigla ko na lang na-flash yung buhay ko na hindi oras.
Please, parang napikon talaga siya sa atin. Kasi bigla siya nag-speed up.
Malapit katatawid lang natin, bigla na,
Oo.
like the nutritional value. Kaya niyo mag-score.
Hindi mo naman kanta natin. 199 sus.
Tatapos. Kamusta yung nyo collection na data? Kailan po yun? Ang sarap.
Lasa siyang mango. Magugulat na lang ako kung di lasang mango, no?
Kaya nga.
Ang sarap, masarap. Hindi ko
Sana.
lasang beef, ewan ko na ba?
monkey ng ano. Okay. Wow. Cute naman eh. Cute. Gasan to? Or ito?
Yung ano, yun yung main na
Oh my God. Si Luffy.
alin.
Si Luffy. Ay, bibilhin ko to sa future. Ang aming hard worker OFW. Yes. Check out. Check out. Titingin lang daw siyang mabilis, guys.
Wala. Dapat yung may sibo.
Kaya nga.
Wow!
Gusto ko yung nagtutwirl yung ano, solo,
Yung
di ba?
Friday.
Oo.
Sabi niyo vibes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Cheers!
Experience mo ba right now is coming na, would you say na pessimist na?
Anong options?
Ay, sige, mag-guess tayo. Alin siya?
Sino? Oh my God. Feeling ko ito.
Alin?
Ito, gusto ko parang yung original Barbie na.
Ikaw
Oo,
ba?
Feeling ko ito.
Ito, ikaw ba?
Sitigan natin kung sino yung magaling mang-attract ng ano. Ito.
Ito.
Okay. Ikaw?
Ito, yung ballerina.
Okay. Valid. Go. Ayan na. Ano na lang? Bukas.
Charan!
Tama ka! Tama siya! Tama siya! Oh.
Natapos ko yan.
Kaya nga, tama na naman siya!
Ayan.
Kaya nga! Grabe naman yung crossbow doon eh! Nilagay ko na siya.